Good morning, Milton Hershey School.
Welcome to the 2019 Opening School Assembly.
The message today is that broken doesn't mean damaged. That's the essence of kintsugi. It is the art of fixing broken things by fusing pieces together with gold. We, like gold, are both strong and vulnerable. That is why our theme for this year is Be Golden.
Everyone has their own way that they can be golden. Our students, our staff, our alumni, but it's rooted in a principle we're all familiar with. You might know it as the Golden Rule. To live by the Golden Rule means to treat others the way you want to be treated. Our founder, Milton Hershey, followed the Golden Rule his entire life.
Which is why it would mean so much to him today to see the students and staff of the school he founded living his legacy 110 years later.
I wanted to put my foot in the ground just like Milton Hershey did.
It's probably one of the best feelings in the world to know that you made an impact on other people's lives.
I am thankful for everyone who helped me to get to where I am today. I never thought I'd make it to my senior year of high school.
I can't thank Milton and Catherine enough for everything they've done for me and for really all of us.
I got a lot of golden people here. It's a lot of golden opportunities.
Everyone, we know the way. We will go the way. We will show the way. The golden way. Louder, the golden way.